welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have another Dollar Tree haul with new finds. I cannot believe it. My mind is being blown. It is unbelievable what all I'm finding from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I found, okay? Now this isn't new, but I'm going to be doing a DIY. So I picked up 4 of these very large plastic plates. Like I said, this is not new. It's a staple all the time, but I did pick those up. Okay, now let's get to the new stuff, okay? I love their moss balls. I have never seen the large moss balls like this. I've seen the smaller ones, but never a large moss ball like this, and you get 2 to a pack. So I picked up 4. These are so great to have, okay? Then I saw this. Now, I don't know, this might have been there before, I'm not sure, but I love this little plate. It looks like some kind of melon of some sort, but I thought it was really cute, and you could do a lot with it. Then I got some of this paint in the blue, okay? Then I saw this. I love the USA, these window clings. They are so pretty, and the 4th of July is coming up, so I'm going to be doing a couple DIYs for that, but I think these are just precious. So I got 2 like this. And they had 2 other types, but I didn't get them. Then I saw this wall cling that says family with the beautiful leaves on there. Just look at that. That is gorgeous. I love it. Dollar Tree is absolutely blowing my mind, seriously. Then look at this, Bloom from Within. Look how beautiful that is with those beautiful pastel-like flowers. And then right here on the L, you have those little flowers. I just love this. Okay, get ready. Stickers. Look at these new stickers. They look like stained glass, and they're like Christmas ornaments, the round bulbs. Can't believe it. Then they had these. I have never seen these at my Dollar Tree, okay? Then they had the glasses, if you want drinking glasses. Can you believe it? This one says smile on it. And it's just, they're so pretty, and they're raised. I just love those pastel colors. Then they had bottles, if you can believe this. Look at these bottles, how beautiful they are. They look like stained glass. Then they also have, if that wasn't enough to kill me, they had perfume bottles. I mean, you've got to be kidding me. Look at this. I can't get over it. They have the round, the square. Oh, and mason jars. Can you believe it? The ones with the lids and one that does not have a lid, like you're drinking out of them. Can you believe this? $1? I can't believe it. Okay, here we go. More of this looks like chalkboard stickers. This says thankful, and it has the flowers and the heart pot. And then the hat that says faithful. And look at this basket spilled over with the flowers. And then your little rake and shovel. Look at this, $1. I cannot believe it. It looks chalkboard. And they didn't stop with that. Look at this, good day. And it says happy down here with all these beautiful flowers. This says thanks. Oh my goodness, you could make pocket letters. You could put them in your planner. You could do DIYs with this. The possibilities are endless. And they had llamas, even llamas. Look at that. Follow your bliss, life, no problema. Llama love, look at this. And they're slightly raised, okay? Then I saw these are beautiful. Just look at this vase with the water in it. I mean, they have stepped up their game. And I've seen something similar to this in the past, but not this exact one, but look at that, how nice. Then they have vacation stickers. Look at this with the camera that's shooting out a picture, like a Instamatic Polaroid. Oh my gosh, the little drink, the Coke. Look at this cap, bottle cap. Happy summer. The surfboard, the airplane, love it. Then they had more pineapple stickers. They are killing me. Absolutely. Stay sweet. Be sweet and wear a crown. They are so cute. Okay. All I have to say is wait for it. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? It would be perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, I love these colors, these sunflowers, the watering can, the milk can. Oh, look at all this. I just love it. And they are raised slightly. If you can go to your Dollar Tree safely, go. Then I found these daffodils. Look how pretty. Look at that farmhouse check in the back. Look how gorgeous these are. And they are slightly raised as well. And then they have more rub-on transfers. Now, I hope I have better luck with these rub-on transfers than I had with the others. But these, it talks about eating. And it says, bon appetit, and all these things. Look at the spoons and the fork, the place setting with the plates. I know it's kind of hard to see. Look at this. I cannot believe what they're doing. And then I was really happy, and you know that you have been sort of isolated when alcohol and hand sanitizer thrills you. But they had 70% alcohol, so we picked up 2 of these. We have not had any alcohol. We had about that much left in a bottle that we had because you cannot find them anywhere. So we picked up 2 of those. We found more hand sanitizer, Germ-X, and this is 62%. It really should be 70% to kill the virus, but I'll take 62%. You were limited to 4, so we picked up 4. And Maggie is after the delivery man. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. I'm telling you, every time I go in there, they have so many new items, and I keep thinking, surely not more new, but they do. I'm still looking for those blue and white plates. I thought they were plastic. They're not. They're ceramic. I would love to get my hands on a set of those, but I'll keep looking. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit your notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, bye guys.